What a spectacular day to celebrate. I am your host, Bratati, and it's an absolute honor to see so many of you here, filling this hall with the energy and enthusiasm. Today, we have gathered for a very special purpose to honor the exceptional talent and relentless spirit of our students who have competed in a state level competition. The air is buzzing with excitement and for good reason. For years, our students have been a dominant force in the CBSE Kho Championship, consistently bringing home the top honors. This year, they have returned from the competition with a story so incredible, it feels like something out of a movie. Before we get to that, we welcome our magnificent Kho boys and girls team on the stage. Please give them a big grand welcome with a big round of applause. The Kho boys and girls team, please come on stage.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಕನ್ನಂಬಾಡಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮ ಬಾರಿಸಿದ ಕವಿಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುತ್ತ ಸಲಹಿರುವ.
What an honor it is to stand here today, filled with immense pride and joy, to celebrate a truly historic moment of the school. Today, we are not just celebrating a win, we are celebrating a legacy. So, before we get into that, let's invite the pillars of our institution to come on stage. Our beloved Chairman Chaitanya sir, our beloved Director Joyita ma'am, and our esteemed Principal Sadat sir on stage.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Like I said, today we are not just celebrating a win, we are celebrating a legacy. A tradition of excellence that has been built on grit, determination, and a relentless passion for the game. For years, our students at Chitrakuta School has been a force to be reckoned with the CBSE Kho Championship. Since 2017, they have consistently brought home the championship title or the runners-up trophy, showcasing the unwavering spirit of our athletes. But this year they didn't just meet expectations, they shattered them. Among 309 teams across Karnataka, our students didn't just secure one victory or two. This year, we have 3 champions team. Can you believe it? 3 teams from our school, our state level winners. Please give them a big round of applause. Yes, 3 of our champions team are going to compete at the national level. That's right, 3 trophies, 4 incredible teams, and a clean sweep of success at the states level. This isn't just an achievement, it's a statement. It's a testament for a hard work, the countless hours of practice, and the indomitable spirit of our students. All under the expert guidance of our coaches, Ranganath sir, Sangeeta ma'am and Savina ma'am, along with our support system, our sports coordinator, Raj Sudha ma'am. Please give them a big round of applause. They have not only made our school proud, but have also set a new benchmark for excellence. Let's celebrate their victories and the incredible pride they have brought to our school. We are Chitrakuta, and this is our legacy. Now, this legacy of success wouldn't be possible without the incredible support and leadership from our school management. It is my honor and privilege to invite our guiding force, the director of our school, beloved Joyita ma'am. Please come and share a few words.
Thank you, Pratati. How much ever I praise all of you, I think it's not enough. Both for your teammates, you all, and your coaches. It's impossible to believe that these things can happen again and again. Each time when you have gone on field, I'm very sure that you have not thought about anything else other than winning. And that's the graph. All these things started from one positive thought that we will win. Long back maybe. It was in mind of one person, the coach, the management, or in the players. And legacy continues. Pratati was very correct that we are not celebrating here one victory, two victories, or three victories today. We are not only telling good to all our four teams. We are only telling that this is impossible to ignore when you are determined to touch your excellence during living your daily life. And living example, so many are sitting here. Huge round of applause to each one of them. With due respect to each and everybody, the contribution of the parents, the support of academical teachers, and obviously the daily wage of the coaches, these children have performed extremely well. Just now, sir was telling that some of them, they could not even touch their feet on floor when they are sitting on chairs. So you can understand that size does not matter. The strength and the well-being of that winner thing, whatever it is, the electrifying force which can force you, it can overcome and make you overcome any hurdle in your lives. So all the best from my side to each one of you. All the best. We are all waiting for you, and frankly speaking, we are extremely proud of you. We love you so much. All the best to the legendary coaches of Chitrakuta too. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind and warm words. Now, it is time to officially recognize these phenomenal athletes. I request the teams to come forward as I call the names and receive your medals and token of love from your class teachers. Class teachers, please be ready. Let's begin with our under 14 girls Kho team. Maitreyi, Ramita, Likhita, Raghavi, Diksha, Manya, Tanisha, Urvi, Yashasvi, Hita Shri Kiran, Prerna, Darshini. Siddharth K. Chakhari, Rohan, Harshit, Tanmay, Srivatsa, Ankush, Dakshit, Dhanving, Harshit, Arush, Sanchit, Pratham, Sanika, Disha, Tanvi, Vanisha, Tanisha, Sharvari, Danyata, Shushruta, Sukruti, Manasvi, Adya, Nagati. Aditya. Children, please applaud for your friends. Sahaj, Dheeraj, Jatin, Chirag, Rihan, Hitanshi, Gautam, Chintan, Yashas, Kushal, and Nishchit. Clapping for your friends and your teams. And give them a shower of claps. Come on, let the claps not stop. What a sight. Each of these medals is a symbol of their hard work and sacrifice. But the pinnacle of their achievement is yet to come. I would now like to request our esteemed chairman, Chaitanya sir, and our beloved director, Joita ma'am, and our principal, Sadat sir, to do the honors of presenting the well-deserved trophies. The under-17 girls Kho-Kho team, led by Pragati Prashant Desai, the captain of our team. Please come forward. Let the claps continue.
ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೇಶವಾಡಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ನಾದದ ಸುಳೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸಿರುವ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಇದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಗಡಿಯ ಶೌರ್ಯವ ಮೆರೆದಿರುವ ವೀರ ವನಿತೆಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಕೀರ್ತನೆ ವಚನವ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದ ಯೋಗಿ ವರೇಣ್ಯರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಲೋಕದ ಸಾಧಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತೆರೆಯ ತಾರೆ
Now I invite under 14 boys Kho-Kho team and under the captainship of Arush. Please come forward to receive the trophy.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
Keep clapping until we get tired.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
Last but not the least, I invite under 14 girls Kho-Kho team under the leadership of R. Tanisha. Let's keep clapping for them.
ಭೂಮಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ
It's a collective effort, don't you think? And the student's success is a direct result of relentless training and motivation from their coaches. We would now like to invite our coach Ranganath sir to say a few words and motivate our students. Let's give a big round of applause for sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. First, I want to thank Chairman Chaitanya sir, Director Joyita ma'am, and Principal Sadat sir, and Coordinator Secretary Mala ma'am, and Coordinator Raj Sudha ma'am, and Ashok sir, and Anita ma'am, and all coordinators and all teachers. I thank what they are sitting here, their parents also. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದರು. ನಾನು ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸರ್ ಅವು 6 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಂದ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿನಾದರೂ 50% ಆಫ್ ಇದಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟದಿಂದ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸರ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡಿಂದ, ನಾನು ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್, 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಾಮಿಡೇಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಫುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಳೆ ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಿದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್, ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ 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 ಸರ್, ಯಾರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು ಸರ್. ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮು ಆಡೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸರ್, ಆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟ ಸಖತ್ ಟೀಮಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಂಥರ ಮೈ ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಅಂಡರ್-14 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚು ಒಂದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಟೀಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕೋಚ್ ಏನೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೋಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಚಿತ್ರಕೂಟದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳು. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, 4 ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಫಿಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಆ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಆಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಫಿಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ದು ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪು, 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಅವರು ಲೇಸಿನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಸರ್. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಇದಾಯ್ತು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್, ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೂ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಅವರ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕು, ಅವರ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರಿಟಿಗೆ 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಖೋಖೋ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಮುರಳಿಯವ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಬಿಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಂದ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಂದನೇ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗದಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, SGFI ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಏನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಹಂಬಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, SGFI ಇದೆ, SGFIಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. I hope our children are very inspired by what you said. Now, I invite our dear principal, Sadat sir, to give a few words of encouragement and inspiration to our students.
No, like Joyita ma'am said, no, size doesn't matter. No, all young kids, they are so many people, they are trying to felicitate them. Their class teachers are trying to put the medals. No, I was feeling so happy for these kids. I think, like Rangnath sir also mentioned, that if you people are determined and you're trying to give your 100% for whatever you want to do, obviously result will be something like this. And I'm really proud of all of you, whoever is sitting here. And I have 100% confidence that I'll get once more this same mic. I'll stand here after the nationals and I'll be again congratulating you guys. That much of confidence is there on you guys. And you guys are really lucky that you're part of Chitrakuta. At the same time, you got these kind of coaches who put their heart and soul to help you to win. All the best to all of you, including all the coaches. Congratulations and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you for your belief in our students, sir.
I am Arush, captain of our school under 14 boys Coco team. Today I am here to share my unforgettable experience from CBSE Coco Cluster Tournament 2025-2026. This tournament was organized by Race Concept School in Raichur, and they did a great job by providing us everything we needed. Now let me take you to the most thrilling part, the finals. In the first innings, it was a tie with both the teams getting 6 outs each. In the second innings, during our chase, we managed to make 7 outs, and other team needed 7 outs to draw and 8 to win. The tension was very high, but our team stayed focused and they were strong. So we stopped them from reaching their target, and we became first place winners of the tournament and got qualified for the nationals. I sincerely thank our coaches Rangnath sir, Sangeeta ma'am and Savina ma'am for their tireless training, and our chairman Chaitanya sir, principal Sadat sir, director Joita ma'am for their constant support, and also our parents for believing in us. And of course, how could I forget about my teammates? Without their hard work, unity and trust, this would not have been possible. Now our eyes have been set on the nationals. We'll try our absolute best to make our school proud once again. Thank you.
I am Tanisha R from class 7th A, here as a captain of under 14 team Coco Girls. I thank my coaches and school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I especially thank Rangnath sir, Sangeeta ma'am and Savina ma'am for being with me and completing these challenges. I also thank Principal Sadat sir, Chairman Chaitanya sir and Director Joita ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Pragati, and today I stand here not just as a captain of Coco Girls team, but as a voice of every single player who has given her sweat, her strength and heart towards this game. Winning clusters and stepping into nationals is not just a victory, it's a dream that turned into reality. This journey was never easy. It was built on dedication, fueled by determination and powered by hard work. Every morning practice, every aching muscle, every moment we felt like giving up but chose to push harder. That's what we are here today. This win is also the first step to fulfill the promise which I gave to my coach Rangnath sir. Sir, your trust in us is the greatest motivation. And to Sangeeta ma'am and Savina ma'am, thank you for being with us in every challenge, for guiding us and for believing in us even when we doubted ourselves. A big thank you to our parents who were there with us in every practice session, every match and every challenge. A heartfelt thank to the school management who were the rock solid support for all the 4 teams representing our school. You made sure that we never lacked any encouragement or resources. At last, to my team, this is just the beginning. Nationals, here we come with the same spirit, the same passion and same belief. Thank you.
We come to the end of a truly memorable ceremony. I am filled with pride to have been a part of this celebration. My sincere gratitude to our chairman, Chaitanya sir, Director Joita ma'am, and Principal Sadat sir for their unwavering support. A big thank you to our coaches, teachers, parents, and everyone who has been supporting our students along the way. Thank you. This success is a shared one. To all our winning teams, this is just a beginning. We wish you all the very best as you prepare to take on the national stage. Go make us proud. Thank you for joining us today.